Hi everyone, Shane Smith with Boardtronics. In this video we're going to show everyone how to install the SuperParts control panel for E-Series OSMAC. Now the installation of this product is extremely simple. All you'll need is a Phillips screwdriver, or in our case today, we have a drill motor with a Phillips head for a little extra speed. So the first thing we want to do is remove these two screws right here on the plastic bezel. Those are the two screws that hold the entire assembly in place. So we're going to take our drill and go ahead and take those out. Now that those are removed, we're going to go ahead and lift right here below the decoder module. We're just going to tilt this vertical and unclip the ribbon cable from the power distribution board. Now your whole bezel and decoder assembly is removed. Next, we're going to take the SuperParts control panel. We're going to plug the ribbon cable into the power distribution board. And then we're just going to put this into place of the old equipment. Line up the two holes here at the top. Get our screws that came with the control panel. Go ahead and install those. Alright, now the control panel is installed, and the last step is taking the layered antenna that comes with the unit, screwing that clockwise onto its mount. And that's it, everyone. It's that easy. The SuperParts control panel for E-Series OSMAC is a great product, whether you are simply replacing your aging decoder modules one at a time or upgrading your entire course. At $399.95, it's an unbeatable value, and I encourage everyone with E-Series OSMAC to give it a try. We're sure you'll be satisfied. And remember, every SuperParts control panel includes our 90-day money-back guarantee. If you don't like it, return it for a full refund. Also included is our industry-leading 10-year limited warranty, meaning if it fails for any reason that's not visible, such as a burn mark on the PCB from a lightning strike, call us and we'll send you a replacement. You can purchase the SuperParts control panel online at boardtronics.com 24/7, 365. Or give us a call. Our customer service staff will be eager to serve you. Thanks for watching.